Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting essentials out of the way. Update firmware and the companion app so the headphones run current fixes and features. Once done, charge to full and perform a quick reset if you see odd behavior, because power and firmware solve many issues fast. Next, set the app EQ to flat as a baseline and select a low-latency codec when possible. This gives you a neutral reference and reduces timing problems while you fine-tune. You now handle the middle step, sculpt the sound. Use a parametric EQ to remove muddiness around 200 to 400 Hz and add presence between 2 and 5 kHz. This makes vocals and transients clearer. Then, test active noise cancellation modes. Toggle to transparent when you need situational awareness and full ANC for quiet listening. Also, upgrade your source. Use higher bitrate files, a better Bluetooth codec, or a wired connection to ensure the headphones aren't chasing a poor signal. You finish by dialing in final details. Tame low end with a gentle bass shelf instead of huge boosts, because deep boosts often cause distortion at higher volumes. Once adjusted, audition several reference tracks across volume levels to ensure consistency. If you still get dropouts, harshness, or imbalance, make this key troubleshooting move. Revert to flat EQ, unpair and repair the headphones, and try a different source device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.